Welcome to 1131 Arella Boulevard, located on Ann Arbor's west side, and only seconds from Stadium Boulevard, where you'll find banks, grocery stores, restaurants, and a variety of other conveniences. It's within walking distance to many of the schools, which are part of the popular Eberwhite district. This 3-bed, 2.5-bath renovated ranch offers over 1,650 square feet of space. It boasts newer windows, roof, furnace, garage door, and driveway. The deck has recently been restained, and the fenced-in backyard offers plenty of privacy from the busy city. The interior has plenty to offer as well, including hardwood floors, maple cabinets, a large family room addition, a new ever-dry system, and a full kitchen in the basement. Join us while we tour this amazing home. Thanks for visiting 1131 Arella Boulevard. For more information on this listing or any other, please contact Patricia Sheehan. The nearby city of Ann Arbor is packed with great opportunities. With over 110,000 residents, Ann Arbor is one of the state's largest cities. As a cultural center for not only Michigan, but for the entire Midwest, Ann Arbor's lively art scene features exceptional musical and theatrical options, as well as some of the region's best visual arts opportunities. Coupled with the city's commitment to the arts is their commitment to the enjoyment and stewardship of its incredible park system, where you can explore countless natural areas, float along the Huron River, or get involved in a wide variety of individual and team sports.